Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, January 3, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 3, 2024, Wednesday. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for January 3, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.